Good morning. It's a push-up day. 100 push-ups on the knees. I've had shoulder troubles in the past. Perhaps neglect, injuries. Both my shoulders have been injured. So I found during this exercise of my body that tucking my elbows tighter in seemed to give me more stability, engaging the latissimus dorsi. So again, this isn't a suggestion to copy exactly. It's just to do something and steady your body. I'm evaluating whether I can do that same push-up without the ball. But I didn't like it so much on my shoulders. You can adjust how difficult this is by moving the knees forward to make it easier, or back to make it more difficult. Even on your toes for a full body weight, if you have that strength. And don't find pain. It's important to pay attention if you're feeling pain in your shoulders. Adjust things. I pulled my elbows in even a little bit tighter for these. Do them at your pace. My goal is 100. Feel your body relax out of the strain. Make mental adjustments. I use this in-between time to stretch my knees by sitting on my feet. Putting a pillow over the calves is smart if you have pain sitting on your feet or sitting on your calves. exploring the elbows out and what that feels like from my shoulders. My knees are fairly close, so I'm not doing a lot of pressure. I'm minding my shoulders. I'm squeezing my palms together as well. I felt that created a lot of good tension in my chest. Time on the mat for me is not about doing something perfect. It's about studying my body and moving to ski. Sitting on my calves like this is returning the flexibility in my knees after the last year of rehabilitating a meniscus tear in my knee, my left knee. Squeezing the ball together. I feel for alignment. Observing pressure on my right hand as compared to the left hand. Are they equal? Am I protecting the shoulder pain that has occurred in my left shoulder? Breathing. Often I will visualize parts of my body, a muscle, a pain, and how the movements can help. Changing the rhythm with a sharp pulse, extending the muscle group and coming down a little bit slower. observing if my head is coming down centered, the weight of my upper body balanced equally over both hands. Locking the elbows in to the body, contracting the muscles in the back to hold those elbows in. Squeezing the ball together. Centering the weight of the body equally between both hands. Breathing, resting the muscle tissues. Lubricating the spine of the upper back, allowing blood to fill the muscle tissue that was flexed. And strained. Always thinking, often distracted, thinking what somebody might do if they did not have a soccer ball. Could it be done with pillows? Squeezing the pillow together, locking the elbows tight to the body. Yeah, I found that that worked well. I liked that. Rotating the elbows in seems to help protect my shoulders. Squeezing the ball together as we come down. Experimenting with the full release of the ball. Observing for symmetry and timing of contact and release. Will give clues to imbalances. In muscle response, reactive time from left to right. How this fits for skiing, again, the arms are very, very important to have control over. In skiing. Have a great day. Just get on the mat, steady your body, and find your peace.